All right, so it is finally complete. Just gonna quickly walk through it all. Mentioned in previous video that we'd be adding 2 more of these stop buttons, which we did. Okay, they've been tested and it works. And again, also holders as well. It was redesigned so this thing would be more. Let's see. And we also added Lexan crash barriers here, because we noticed that when we're testing it out, and the cars would normally crash in these areas here, especially in this area here. And we tried it out, and it's doing its job. I will shoot another video with the cars running. But yeah, it is done, man. It's looks good. It looks really good. So, crash barriers here. Yeah, this is for the lap counter display. So, trying to get a mouse and a keyboard also, so it's easily operable, because it's gonna be a bit far, right? So, and it's gonna be viewable even from the far one, the blue lane. So it'll be angled something like that. So that was added, and here's the other barrier. Okay. And the final one is right here. So it's decidedly quite different from all the other Musgrave or Viper setups that the guys have done. So we like being different, which is good, you know. So yeah, looks good. You know, let me just, this is the Viper. Try if I can shoot it. Let's see. So Viper is really fast. And here it goes. See how I almost crashed there? I'm gonna have to take it easy there. You know, let me try another lane. Let's try the red lane. 1 second. Take that off. Put this in here. There we go. Anyway, there you go. I crashed over there, but the hairpin turns. Yes, it will crash. It even crashed here earlier, especially the blue lane, because it's quite tight. so it's going to be quite strategic for the driver, whoever has the blue lane in this one here. I have to slow down significantly, otherwise it's gonna crash when it going out of the curve into the straight lane. But yeah, yeah, that's it, man. Again, it was good, very good. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is how it will look from the angle of the farthest controller, blue from the blue lane. For the lap display. Okay, from here, from white lane and red lane. I guess you can see it's paused. For you to press any of these buttons here, it would continue running. So let's see if I can get this in right here.
Go.
Cool.
Yellow flag.
Okay.
Go.
Again,
Yellow flag.
by pressing that, it subs all power to all lanes, and pressing it again restores the current. Let me just restore power.
Go.
Gotta be careful here. Is the blue lane here? Oh, nearly left. I gotta go a bit slower there. Okay, that's just for one lane. Let's do the white one. All right, sorry, I turned it off by accident. So as you can see, that barrier did its work, did its job there. Yeah, so it's a yellow flag. Otherwise, that would have flown off like last. As you saw in the previous videos, you saw the car flying off the corner there. Yeah, so yeah. All right, that's it. Thanks. Magnets on this car suck, so don't expect this thing to go fast. But it is the Batmobile. This truck was undrivable on the AFX track. It was just terrible. It would derail so easily. Again, with this AW HO car, you can also go fast on it as well, because so like the Batmobile, the magnets suck. So you can only go so slow. I've yet to also try it with the trailer, but that's for another video. But here we go. We'll see. Let's go. I have to go really slow with this one. Just because it also has a very high center of gravity, especially for those particular part there where it's curved lanes. Then again, like in real life, these guys are not designed to go fast too. Anyway. Oh, there you go. See, it derailed. Let's put it back. This is red. So you can see here. The magnets aren't all that great.